Abantu barukurenga 200 abo ofisi y'enganzi y'ihanga y'abany'eishengyero mu eitaka erihi na kampu y'empunje ya Kyangwari omuri Bukinda na Katikara omugombora ya Kyangwari omu district ya Kikuube bacwiremu kambiko mu maka g'abany'eishengyero babo bwanyuma yo kutuntumura mu eitaka erimu ofisi ya RDC wa Kikuube aho babire bamazira omwaka gumwe n'ekicweka.
These people came on Sunday. We have been bringing their case to so many offices. We brought the case of the Bukinda evictees to the Ministry of Lands. We brought this case to the OPM, Prime Minister's office. We even reported this case to the President when he had come to Buhuka.
Before all the leaders in this country that they should come to our district as members of parliament, because these people, they are in our homes, we cannot manage them. You have seen how they are, the environment they are. We face a very big risk.
Abany'eishengyero aba nibajangu baremerwa obwingi bw'abantu abari omu maka gabo obwahati.
These are over 1,000 evictees that we are dealing with. As members of parliament, we don't have much to give them. We cannot feed them. It's now 1 week since they've been in our homes. There are so many things that they are missing.
Hariho Mnyambabazi Haji Abdul Sali wabahereza kirigana z'ebihimba hamwe na kilo 200 z'esano y'ebichori. Amlan Tumsime or RDC wa Kikuube yashaba abantu aba okuma bine michwe obo government erikuronde cyo kubakorra.
I also want to encourage these evictees to remain disciplined, to ensure that they keep law and order. But more importantly, they should not even allow self-seekers to mislead them and make them make mistakes. Because I'm aware there are some of the self-seekers who want to take advantage of the suffering of these people to push for their political agenda.
Ababinjirwe nibajangu program zona za government ezentunguka zibarabereho ahabo butageraho kutura.
Muzeyi wetu Kaguta Museveni uko constitution irakiragira atuyambe turiyo turukubona abona bafire nibingi muri kureba nembera population iri hano hariho toyi hariho ki abana b'amasomero bona barugire mu masomero bamwe bataraka bamwe babemihiri abatukumanya ibayirukire none haturiyo turukubona enjara kibyona muri kubyetegereza.
Ataka getu tumazire imyaka 10 turukubona ngene turashaba ngu Museveni aija tugarure mu mataka getu.
Abana abandi nibaitwembeho waitu yoweri Kaguta Museveni oborabo kimanyire turi banya Uganda bawe tukuhakaruru tuyambali rununa otugare mu mataka getu kandi oruhenda bakarucwa orumanyiri tona turumanyiri.
Enshonga z'abantu ba Bukinda zitwireho kandi obuwire Esther Anyakun oriyo muhezi wa minister w'enshonga z'empunji n'ebigwererezi akagira ngu enshonga ezi ziri mu ofisi y'enganzi y'ihanga Robina na Banja. Gasha kwa Ambrose ni wagaba katoto.